Today we're gonna find out how hard it is to drift for a new driver. I got my buddy in the driver's seat. He's barely even ran a manual before. We're gonna see how he does out on the track. Alright, here you go. Let's go see what you can do out on the Mustang. The tires are pretty bald, so I'm guessing he should be able to drift pretty easily. But like I said, he's barely ridden a manual before, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, you're in first, turn. Remember, if you're going slow, you have to be riding the clutch. There you go. Put on the brake, put it in the neutral, put on the clutch all the way. Put it in neutral, you're good. Now you can let go of the clutch.
Really?
Yeah.
The car stays on?
Yeah.
Oh.
I know what I'm doing for heat.
We're doing good for
Yeah.
under that. Holy. We're going to skip this guy?
Oh, this guy's waiting. This guy's done. We got these guys. Yeah, you can just drive over there in an open spot. And like I said, it's turn your wheel slightly, clutch all the way in, rev it the f up. So yeah, clutch all the way in, get in the first, slow release, and then ride the clutch. You don't need the gas as much.
I know, I'm trying.
Oh, that guy's missing a bumper. Go to your spot, and remember, yeah, clutch all the way in, rev it up, give it a little bit of a turn, and feather it after.
Brake is probably good.
Yeah. Feather it, feather it. Feather it, let's gas! Holy fuck, you just pedaled to the ground. Don't pedal to the ground, feather it.
Okay.
You want to feather it. Go in open spot, don't go near here. You're giving it way too much beans. Feather it. Feather it and back and forth. As soon as you get into the drift, you want to let go of the gas and feather it. You're just hammering it down. Don't do that. Once you get into it, just feather it.
Okay. Ready?
I got it. You got it, bro. Nope, you weren't in it yet. You got to be in the sideways, and then you can start feathering it.
Okay. This will be my second.
You got it. Just back and forth. Keep on it. Oh, you're out. Do it again. Dump it. All right, couple more. There we go. Back and forth. Back and forth. Back the other way, keep it on the gas. Once you're in it, and then you can really start to like hammer it and flick off. There you go, back and forth, keep hammering it. There you go, there you go, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Nice, that was a good one.
Hell yeah.
See, you got the hang of it. Just back and forth and feather it. Okay, reset. Don't hammer it as much on the release. You can go half of it. That was a good break though. That was where you kind of want that feeling. Just slow it down, reset. There you go, keep flicking it. Oh. When you start to come out of it, that's when you want to hammer on the gas.
Okay.
If you feel yourself coming out of the drift, hammer on it, but if you don't go into it, let go. Okay, one more and then let's head off.
Okay. Let me watch this. I'm gonna get around this one.
No, you didn't turn. No, reset, 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 reset. Slow down. You didn't turn your wheel at all.
Okay.
You can't go into it straight. You have to have a slight turn, then drop it. There you go. Yeah. 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 Head off. There you go, though. Fuck yeah, dude. Second lap and you're already getting it. Yeah, look at the line. Go do a lap. We'll get you used to driving manual. Twin turbo 2J Mustang. You can just go so wide.
Well, that's what I've noticed is easier is wide one.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
See that flame? And he's overheated.
Fuck.
Remember, as soon as you're out of it, just release. Oh my god. Don't get so close to Nolan, definitely.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, there's practice out here. There you go. There you go. Keep it going. You were too hard on it. You gotta feather it a bit. Get one more good one and bye.
You can hop out now. I'm gonna go in.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had to cut a lot of this footage out because obviously someone who hasn't driven a lot of manuals before is going to have a bit of an issue getting to the line, but honestly once you're out on the track you don't really have to worry about the clutch unless you're clutch dropping into the drift, and then you just got to hold the drift and manage it as best you can. If you guys would like a more in-depth video on how to drift and some of the keys that I've learned over the couple years I've been drifting, make sure you guys leave a comment down below in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's plenty more drift content coming out. The season is not over, although it is getting cold. So make sure you guys leave a like. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next video.